Ensure that the holes are punched according to the markings on the punching diagrams. Adjust the length of the lock body and latch orientation, install the lock body and tighten the screws, and check whether the lock body works properly. According to the opening direction of the door, adjust the direction of the front panel handle. Then tighten the 3 support screws. Lift the handle diagonally up about 45 degrees until the back of the front panel exposes the screw holes, then tighten the screws. Check if it works properly, and finally rotate the red arrow to the opposite direction of the handle. Insert the square bar into the square hole in the center of the lock body, pass the power cord through the gap from the side, and then insert and press the front panel holes into the square bar. Install the rear fixing plate, adjust the angle of up and down to the right and left, and tighten the screws. Open the rear panel cover from the open sign. Adjust the orientation of the rear panel handle, tighten the fixing screws and check whether it works properly. Connect the power cable, align the square bar and press the rear panel, and tighten the screws. Adjust the angle of the door lock at the top, bottom, left and right until it is suitable, and then tighten the screws. Install the battery according to the positive and negative poles. Fasten the cover, the installation is complete.